If you need to lock your card with Deutsche Bank, follow these simple steps to ensure your card is secure. This process can help prevent unauthorized transactions and protect your finances. Step 1. Open the Deutsche Bank app. Launch the Deutsche Bank mobile banking app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged in with your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once you are in the app, look for the Card Management section. This is typically found in the main menu or under Account Settings, where you can manage your cards. Step 3. Select the card to lock. In the Card Management section, you will see a list of your cards. Choose the specific card that you want to lock. This will bring up options related to that card. Step 4. Lock the card. After selecting the card, look for the option to lock card or temporarily lock card. Tap on this option to initiate the locking process. You may need to confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirmation. Once you have locked the card, you should receive a confirmation message within the app. Additionally, check your email or notifications for any updates regarding the status of your card. By following these steps, you can easily lock your Deutsche Bank card to enhance your security. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance.